Test number one. Number one, you have to jump across 3 times, like this. 1, 3, 4. Test number 2. It is very, very difficult. There are tons of different kinds. Stuff. You have to rock and jump across. You have to rock this one and fall. You have to get there, look up. And get on this, back, forward, back, forward, 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 back, forward, back. So, back, forward, back. Oh, here. When you're going back, you can't touch the ground. You have to make it on top. And then you jump across once. That was number 2. Test number 3. You have to do this. Oh, let me try that. Let me retry that. You do that. Do this down. You pick it up. And make it up. Do that 5 times in a row. If you want to join the Couch Club, come to my house. You can only join Couch Club if you know where I live. And the password.